But the studio is just so fulfilled with love because of Kim Tao. Kim Chiu and Haya Believe.
Dahil malapit ng Valentine's Day, ano ba yung mga nakakilig na bagay na advice mong gawin ng isang mga couple? Just like what you just did, guys.
When you answer, it's practice what you preach, okay?
Siyempre mga una-unang pwede natin gawin ay pumunta ng sinehan.
Ayun!
Lord ng I love it. Perfect.
Go watch a movie, tama?
Nanood ka ng movie? Meron kang gagawin, Nick? Meron mo ba tayo?
Tapos makabang ng sinehan, pwede ka mag-coding na. Coding na sila, my love will make you disappear.
That's right! As long as the love does not disappear. My love will make you disappear, but the love will not disappear. What's the movie all about? Hindi may
Nagpapaano mo na hindi ako mawala.
Ano ba ang sasabihin
without saying what it is.
Oo, without siguro may pag nag-love ka kasi parang sugal yun eh. May mawawala. Minsan mananalo ka, minsan talo ka.
Tungkol ko sa isang taong lahat ng pinamahal niya mawawala.
Aray, ano naman ako? Wala ka naman mawawala.
They say, wala ka sa sarili ko. Love makes you crazy sometimes, right? So maybe it's you, the real you disappears. Who knows? Why don't you invite them to watch this movie so they can judge themselves? Go ahead.
Offering namin at ng Star Cinema. Tingnan po ang may love will make you disappear.
Showing na po yan in Cinemas Nation. Abangan niyo po sana My Love Will Make You Disappear, directed by Chad Villas. Other than make someone disappear, in my own opinion, what else does love do?
Yeah.
My love will.
Supposed to finish the sentence. You started it. It's the script. My love will see you through. Yun.
My love will never die. My love will
be forever.
My love will be everlasting. Salamat sa
Doon sila, dadaan.
Picture yan.
May cash, may pa-cash. Sayang, di pa. Kasi power. Idol! Si Preda. Idol!